Hi guys, so welcome back. I'm actually not running late, but I thought I would be already in live.
Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing to do. You tell me you love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Like a drive in the sun, windows down, music on. We've got nothing but time. Feel the breeze in my head, baby, we be cruising. Oh, oh, oh. Na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na. Sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. Yeah, know all the ways I like it. Yeah, you know how I like it, baby. Got me tangled all up in these sheets. Yeah, holding you, holding me, easy love. Yeah, you and me, yeah. Got me tangled up all in these sheets. Holding you, holding me.
Now I'm gonna change my clothes and then go off to university, I think. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing this really cropped hoodie, not a hoodie, a sweater, and some shorts that I got from Zara, and they are pretty thick, some tights, and of course off the knee boots because it's that time again and I just love all. But I'm running late, like so late right now. My lecture started over a few minutes and I still need to go to university, like at the campus. So
Orange soda, Deepak Chopra, Versace robe and my Gucci loafer. Sets on the sofa, that's my yoga. Till my last breath, no regrets.
okay, so apparently it's sunny today and I'm wearing like the most fall like outfit ever. So I hope the classroom aren't that warm. I mean cold. I mean warm. No, aren't that warm because I'm sweating right now.
Roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks, I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s. my Tesla. I be blocking out the world, it's a mess, yeah. I'm allergic to the bullshit. Alright, orange soda, Deepak Chopra, Versace robe and my Gucci loafer. Sex on the sofa, that's my yoga. Till my last breath, no regrets, cause I do it like it's roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks, I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm SADE in the 90s. Do it like it's roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks, I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm SADE in the 90s.
I can't talk right now. I'm tired, so tired. I actually, it's, oh my god, my heart just dropped. I thought it was 5:30, 37, 38 right now. But of course the clock rewinded back and that's why it's like, you know, it's 4 now. Okay, only Dutch people have that, I think, like summer and winter times. But yeah, I like made like this whole setup here at my house. My laptop is here, notes, books. It doesn't look, oh okay. I was like, why doesn't it look so empty? But it isn't empty. But then my 2 books, ISSR, and of course, oh no, I hope it doesn't dry out. Okay, thank god. But yeah, right now I actually have to do a lot. But yeah, I'm just gonna study just for a bit, make out my academical skill paper, just gonna cross-reference it, maybe just changing some words that I shouldn't have used. But yeah, and you know, making a presentation because I have a conference call tomorrow. It's tomorrow. Yeah.
Hi, Kaikai. Hello. Aya!
Walking downtown and I'm okay.
I was walking and then I saw Kaikai biking, so I don't have to walk anymore. Ja, zo onderlangs, ja. En dan kan je er namelijk overheen. Lukt het? Ja. Fucking Dutch problems. Done? Ja. Ja. Okay, let's go. You look so cute. Thank you for biking me to Metro.
So we're at like Asian Gala right now. Yeah, we have food and it's like an appetizer. So.
That guy trying to let you out, but it all comes down to you. You're my anxiety. It's more than a feeling.